Hey, it's Casey, I'm back. So, I got some different products I'm going to be testing out. And y'all seen those videos on Facebook and whatnot, like, we'll wash your bike instantly, no scrubbing necessary. Well, we got pretty dirty out at Barnwell. So, I went and picked up this kit. This slick hybrid ceramic off-road wash. And then I got the attachment for the power washer. And then what we're going to do is we're going to follow the directions, and it recommends filling it up with about 125 milliliter or 4 ounces of soap, and then fill the rest with water. So I got it about that point. Second product we got. So we have the chemical guys. So this is the hose spray attachment that we're going to do on there. And we got the Tough Mud for truck washes and stuff like that. So we're going to give that a shot too. Hey, it's Casey. We're just kind of prepping up. So I'll show you what we got. So this is the KFX90. And what we're going to do on here is use the slick off-road wash with the power washer adapter. Got a power washer that's about 30 years old, but still kicking and running. Keep that oil changed. Part 2 of the experiment, we're going to try the Tough Mudder from the chemical guys on the Suzuki Quad Sport 90. As you can see, we got pretty dirty at Barnwell. So we're going to figure out which one works best. And then I got those. And then we still got to service everything. And it's Texas. It's 100 already. And it's only 11 o'clock. Part 1 done. Now for part 2. Not doing too bad. I mean, still gonna have to get washed, but it'll come out. Don't forget behind your ears. Check-in time. I think that stuff did pretty good. I am actually impressed. Once I went back over with the power washer, all those little dirt spots really did kind of come off. There's a lot of dirt. Okay, so this one on the Suzuki, remember, we're just going to do the hose. We're not going to use the power washer. We're just going to use the garden hose. I just got done rinsing it off. See how fast it's drying. You can almost watch it dry on the camera. But we'll get it wet and then we'll foam it down. We'll rinse it off and we'll see what kind of results we get. Okay, we got hosed off. We're going to use this. Now there is a dial indicator on here. 2 is weak. 3 is okay. 4 is nice. 5 is max. Let's see what that will do for us. Maximum bubbles. Holy cow. See what that does. Alright, it says not to let it dry, so it's not like it's taking it all. Different spray pattern. See if that. Interesting. So we just got done washing off with doing our original testing, and so we're going to step it up a different way. So we were using the chemical guys in the hose end sprayer, and the slick was in the power washer sprayer. What if we change it around and use the chemical guys in the power washer sprayer just to see if it makes a difference with using the power washer? I think it will, but we'll have to test out. We're going to do it on the RM250. That's a pretty good job. Hey, okay, so final review time. So all the bikes are nice and clean and washed. Everything worked kind of as expected. Like I said, we tried 2 different experiments, which you guys saw in the video. The garden hose adapter for this particular one, I didn't think did a great job. I think it's mainly for cars, but for off-roading and heavy mud, you're still going to have to hand wash. I will be using this on the cars. So the products, we talked about the 2 different products, and we use both the chemical guys and the slick products, but the pressure washer adapter, this is a game changer. And following up with the pressure washer, really got the best, cleanest results, and I didn't have to go and rewash everything or hand wipe. So I'm glad I bought the accessories. I think both the chemicals are equally, but it doesn't remove every single bit of dirt. You still have to go over, but the power washer almost takes 80% of that out, so you just have to wipe down the plastics for a really nice finish. In general, I really stick with Simple Green. I'm glad I bought these. I got a bunch left over, but yeah, I'm just going to keep this adapter and just kind of keep testing and playing. Thanks for following. Appreciate you guys watching. Remember, like, subscribe. We'll see you next time.